Hello friends, welcome back to Express.js tutorial. So last day we have discussed about what is Express and how to install and how to create a basic links. In this video we are going to discuss about a routing concept in Express, right? So simply this is my application and just create a node application. So simply write in pminit and use -y for default settings, right? So just enter this. It will actually create a package.json, and now we are going to install the Express into this. So simply to install Express, simply use npm I express. Though I explained all those things in last day, so I just installing again for this application, and I need a Nodemon. So simply write npm I Nodemon. So basically it will also install into our application. So I already discussed about how to install Express, how to install Nodemon, and why we use this. So as it's installing into our application, so you can see the Express version is 4.17.3 and Nodemon version is 2.0 something, right? So let's create a index.js first, and we'll create a basic routing here. So simply just add index.js, okay, and here we're going to use the Express. So simply write Express and just use the require Express, right? So Express is added into our application, and let's see. So simply write console.log and hello, right? And let's open the terminal again and let's run this application. So simply I will use the Nodemon to run application. So write Nodemon index.js. it will getting output. That means Express is installed successfully, right? Now the thing is we need to use Express. So simply create another variable to access all the Express functions or all the things related to Express. So simply write app. So app is a variable, you can write anything. So for now I am using app, and I will use app in this index.js, right? App Express, right? So Express is added into the app, and now to create any link, simply just use the app. And here Express is a Node.js framework, and it's giving more features. And if you just want to create any API like get, post, put, patch, delete, you can easily do that. So simply just use the basic. So just use the get methods. So this is the basic method, and let's use the URL, and it will have a call of function like a request and response. So simply sort from, just write req for request and response for res, right? So simply all the things are added, and this is the arrow function. So just add the arrow function. And here if I just want to send any things, or if I want to get any output, so simply write a response dot send and write something, hello, this is home, okay? And let's check. So just you can see the app crash, waiting for file changes before starting. So actually I need to set the port number. So let's use app dot listen, and here I just suppose I'm giving any port number, that is port 000, and rerun this application again, and let's see. So already running here, and it's running. That means if I just go to the browser and just go to the localhost 4000, then we will get the output, hello, this is home, okay? So let's move to the terminal into the editor area, okay? So we can get all those things here, right? So for terminal related things, okay? So this is our home page. So let's create 2-3 more files. So simply write a blog, or you can say the contact us. So in this way let's create 2-3 files. So simply write contact us, and here you can write contact us. Also this is the blog. So if I just go here, there is no error. So if I just go into the contact us, then we'll get the contact us. So cannot get contact us. Why? So we can restart this Nodemon index.js and let's see, it's coming contact us, and if you check the blog, we'll get the blog section, right? So this is basically simple routing. Now if I want to use the request, so for now we are using the response and we can just sending the response to the browser, but why we need this request? So actually we have not used these things right now, so these are responsible to receive any request. So how we can get this? Simply, if I want to pass some data, suppose this is my base URL, and if I just want to send some name, suppose name, and suppose here write David. So how we can get this name into here? Or if I want to get some output, hello David, so how we can do this? So simply, just we are receiving the request from the browser, so that time we need a request. So before that, let's check what is actually coming in the request. So if I just use a request, there are lots of things will come here. So if I just refresh here, and you can see in the console there are lots of things coming as a request, and also will get the parameter section here, the path, href, and the search query. So all the things will get inside the query. So if I simply just use query here, suppose request query, then we'll get all the things. So simply refresh and you can check here, the response is coming, that is the query, that is name David. And if I just want to pass another things, that is age, age suppose 30, then also we'll get the response as age 30. So we are getting all the query here. So if I just want to send, or if I want to receive the particular name, that time we can use request query and name. So we'll get the output here, so David. So if I just want to pass hello David, this is home, then how we can do this? So simply in the request query name we are getting the name. So simply let's use here, so here just use template literal, it will be more helpful. So simply write hello and just use dollar curly braces. So I discussed about this template retailing in the ECMAScript series, so the link are provided in the description. So basically this is the advanced JavaScript concept. And hello, the name, this is home, right? And if I just refresh here, we are getting hello David, this is home. If I let's check change the name, that is hello Mike, this is home. And if I want to receive the name also, if I just want to receive the age also, hello David, or hello the name, this is home, and my age is, and age will come from the request query. So simply write a request, then query, then it's coming through the age. So just refresh this, we are getting. So in this way we can receive all the queries from the URL, and you also seen that, so all the things will get in the href section. So if you want to get the proper URL, what is actually coming, so we are getting in the href section, and we can get the path and all the things. So we'll get all the things from the request. So whatever we will request from the browser, it will get from the request, right? So this concept is clear. So now if you think, we are just sending the output from here, like here. So if I just want to create a application, like there will have a home page, there will have a banner, there will have some lots of things, and there is another menu, and there is other things, like, so it's complete project. Then how we can I send these things into the browser? So we'll discuss on that things in our upcoming video. So for now, still if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.